Have you missed the deadline for filing your income tax returns? Well, if you're a taxpayer and you have failed to file your income tax return by the due date, that is today, the law allows for the filing of a belated return. For the current financial year, belated returns can be submitted until December 31st. However, remember this comes at a cost. Under Section 234F of the Income Tax Act, late filers must pay a penalty fee. If the total income is up to Rs 5 lakh, the penalty is capped at Rs 1,000. For individuals earning more than Rs 5 lakh, the penalty rises to Rs 5,000. Now, beyond this, if any tax is due, the taxpayers will also be liable to pay interest for the delay in payment. If you missed the filing deadline for taxes due, Section 234A of the Income Tax Act imposes simple interest at 1% per month or part thereof on the unpaid amount until the return is filed. Missing the deadline also limits certain tax benefits. Belated filers cannot carry forward specific types of losses, such as capital or business losses, to future years. In some cases, deductions or exemptions may not be available if the return is filed late. Taxpayers may also lose the flexibility to switch between the old and the new tax regimes after the due date. And another drawback really is the delay in refunds. Those who are entitled to a refund will receive it later than timely filers. So for all those who have, of course, not been able to file their income tax returns as of now, the clock is still ticking and you can still do some things just in time.